Have something to show me. I know everything. If you talk, I hear. I like what you're doing to me. This is afternoon receiving. I'm going to receive it. I like the way you jump on me, do your things like a bodam for. You do. It's about I'm dying finish.
I had the open moment forget you.
Me na ka me pese aha no mu duadua. I say ada anka na asem na ye ka no. Guy aso me space. A o be spray ye hu bi papa bia ekusi ya.
Me mana sa ba. E utum se dro na. Aha.
Na me si me pisa o se. Me pese mu dua gava ba ko ha. No mu dua gava ba ko so.
Si ti asma me ka. Si sei amaka ya akonfo yi ekoje no kai sika ya ensem ya yenhu de eko nti de na wo ya afa ho ase minim ase bibia hia wo bi sei de na wo ye
enye se bibia hia mi o ewiase na e wo no ye se nyam wo boa wo ho a ana wo yire wo ho no bi nso ye de e boa wo osoro boa de oboa no enipa na skania ne dia no ama no wo ka na wa de ato ha enkofo ifa sika iko na me se ama yenko police station na yenko report ana se wo pekura yenko ne nko hu esu no mfa yenko commander ho na yenka chance se ni na konfo yentwa so enye bibia wo de ka no kra se me makra foforo ye ba na me se no yenye ne sa
na zutimi ye kra na ye investigation na unya bi kra ka washipu betimi de akua duty
me asama aso kan a eto mi tirim ne se sisi a no report no police station police for be first kase ebra sia di ni be se first kase ebra we nso be kase first kase ebra afi be kase enko radio announcement nso we nso be juiska we be juiska enti e be sa na che wo sika ko wura mu na how na si ye no enipa ne de ka no ko wo de ka
na me kra add a net tracking system aba
se enyi
how betuma track car
kan de obey that track
na wanye
kan obey that track car
yeah na we nyina unse no se nko yi
on the forget enti ama asem na esi o se ye nyai enti me no forget na wo se ye forget na ye hu how a ye be say
you forget to say massa huge amount of money we call almost 7,000 cities I say 70,000 sorry
million say na so mba kono talk am
eh
100 million obi afa kodika na me a say na me kana boche for na me
thomas sket money pa bodamo ana yenya sa ka sket binti na ye hunu sa na
ye tie ne say wan kasa woni ska buma sa na ye o asa ye forget we dey case
ya e yes ye forget also o pass ndi e bi o no kra be ka say unke what said that not see at discuss said that o said that no what setting it down no one no head the home come no one who say o feel pe
around with them and ko hwe don na me misa
na kwa obebisa na say how be na be see
oh what dey measure that what dey
nya no in a way say I say why you too emotional how wakoma nyina bubu ama no still na so we strong go timi didi ni ade no woman no
ochina no pa measure that ene na di ho nkomo ebisa so the how far with the car no scan area no de na esisi ya fa no hu se medwene no ho so what you say
because that me dey like joke like play
me so gas so the ref I mean check it yeah first na
700 million ekokwa na wetima yi wani kura nka ho he wo na ye be ma no so a di wani UK ni e de na ba na sa we wuntimi comes money wonni ani de na ba obohu bia me make sure say me control
life be expensive but if you faking kwa I do man di wa na di wo why I do man di wa na di wo why I see say life be expensive.
The money, your money, that the driver took it away. What are we doing about it? Huh? We have to report it.
I've told you many times that we have to forget about this issue.
How can we
Yeah,
forget this
I
huge
don't
amount of
want
money?
any police issue, cause here in Ghana, I will even spend more
Yeah,
amount of money.
Yeah.
No, let's forget.
We should forget about this.
Yeah, I've told you that my new car is coming, so let's forget about this issue.
And what's wrong with you? It's like you are behaving abnormal to me. I don't understand. How can someone take all this money, go and chop, just like that?
Are you trying to insult me?
Oh, not. I'm sorry. I'm not insulting you, but it's pressure of money because this money.
It's my own money, and I said we should forget about this. So what's your big deal?
Okay, I hear. I won't talk about it again.
You don't have to.
I won't talk about it
You
again.
always remember me of my
So this
father.
evening, what will you eat?
Huh?
What will you eat?
I think toasted bread with
Toasted bread.
Yeah, pineapple juice will do.
Toasted
Toasted bread.
toasted bread
Yeah,
with pineapple juice. That's all. Are you sure you will be okay with that?
I'll be okay.
So I should go and prepare you that,
Yeah.
or you are going to prepare it by yourself? I want to prepare it for you.
Okay.
I want to serve you in bed.
All right, then I'm.
This is dinner. This is dinner, right?
Yeah.
Dinner in bed. We have breakfast in bed, but right now I'm gonna give you dinner in bed. Apart we pan, what discuss will be FRANKA is. One young guy you want any program sign in the first bank. Anka ya so into memory. Nipa makacho na lake na ya na medweno amentiance me ko fa obi wo say nipa we na ye nipa so masi na ye wo di nipa so masi na ye sa ade ase information ni na wow look ni na yes asbe they must say me papa.
Sweetheart.
Hey, Yama.
Hey. What are you doing?
I'm doing one or two things about this orange.
Okay, I came to thank you for the money that you gave me.
Which money?
Oh, the 5,000 that you gave me just last week.
Amma. Don't worry about this. 5,000 is nothing. Besides, you are my baby, you are my love. So if I give you 5,000,
and I also want to assure you that exactly by next week you will have it.
Oh, Amma, don't worry about this. I did it from my heart. So don't worry. What I love is for. I should have given you 10,000, 20,000, 50,000.
Really?
Yeah, but because I don't have money, that's why. But
then why don't you go and apply for a loan?
Hey.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Don't worry, you do know something. This is nothing, do you know? That's why we call it husband and wife. You are my wife, I'm your husband. If I need support, you have to support me. If you need a support, I have to support you too. So don't worry about this.
Right,
I'm ready to do more things for you. More things, more just like things which will be more than this. Because
anyway, you're such a darling.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're
I
welcome.
really appreciate it.
No, don't worry about that. Even your body alone, your shape, your hair, your cheeks, your this thing, your nose, it deserves more than 5,000.
Enough of your flattery words.
Oh no, not that. Because I don't have enough money, that's why I gave you that 5,000.
Don't worry,
I shall give you
wrong.
20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 70,000.
Really?
I tell you.
Then why don't you go and apply for a loan?
A loan.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, loan. Loan, yeah. I'm
Okay,
afraid of loan. I'm afraid
let's
of loan.
go inside. I got you some fruit juice when I was coming back from town.
Okay, I'm coming right now. I was checking something. I'll get back to you. Right
Are you
now.
sure?
Yeah, I'll get back to you right
Okay.
now. Yay! No. I like the way you are going. You jump, and your body too is. But like abitia, you see progress. So, wow, a business strategy. If you know, you know. Oh, I saw na akwala na kokoto che no wa bokoto ba akwa hye ne nsam na ni trema ni de. Me mama 5,000 to so we buy a business. Me pull no. Te da me de back count no. Sir, now so what your mommy. You want 5,000, me the pay 10,000 pounds. Wallahi. You don't know me and you want to see. What about Ghana no be minty Ghana boy. Eh. Anka ipa de. Boy, minim de maye. What's my league sa friend na oba check.
I was inside though.
You lying.
Oh, it's true.
Anyway, I was looking for you.
Oh, I was around.
You are lying.
Oh, it's true. I was inside.
Anyway, I've got a good news for you.
Really?
Yeah, guess.
What's that news?
I said guess.
The money is in.
The money will be in, but anyway, my friend will be coming to Kumasi tomorrow. And she's coming to Kumasi all because of you.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's great news.
I told you I would do it for you.
Hey, Amatunda, you are the best I've ever had.
I know.
That's why I check you.
I check you more.
That's why I feel you.
I feel you more. So
you know something? I've got some nice package for her.
I trust you.
Different session.
I trust you.
This girl, trust me.
I trust you. And right now you have to do some preparations.
Oh, I've prepared already. Don't worry.
Hey, but I just told you.
You don't know the person you are talking to.
James.
Official me.
Hey.
I've prepared long ago. Don't worry.
Okay.
I've got different packages for her, so you have to chill. Relax, cry.
And you know she can't come by bus.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry at all. She will come by flight. Don't worry.
Then you have to book it fast.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Anyway, I trust you. Then I'm going inside.
I will catch you up.
Take care.
All right. Official Amatundra. Hey! You can niba and nebano. Akra Kumasi bus kra mumfu akra Kumasi flight umfru bida o sole ana o tempumam so o botites o betuma brabo akwa achiri eko se mdi kotokro bi tumpuma na chi set no automatically o to ho na sew ha Baby Amatundra. GH. Official Amatundra about also. Na Kiwe.
Oh, maybe he's inside.
Right now you have to start speaking the tree. Well, that was just by the way. I just went to the bank and I have some 500 cedis.
500 cedis.
Oh yeah.
For.
But you say your friend will be coming to
Yeah,
you.
she will.
So that's for her flight.
Flight.
Yeah, 500
Just for
cedis.
flight.
For flight.
500 cedis.
Sure.
Just for flight.
Oh.
Anyway, thank you.
Don't worry.
You guys are really amazing.
Oh yeah, you such pretty young ladies and you just deserve best, you know. You deserve best. Why is there anything? Why is there anything?
Oh, nothing. No.
Oh, feel free. Let me know if there's a problem, just let me know.
You know she can't be eating the local food. So have you prepared?
I told you I've got some special packages for her. So what's your problem?
I trust you.
Don't forget she's coming to official Lake James Arena.
Yeah.
Huh? We've got some nice sessions for her. Don't worry.
I trust you.
So have some good time and enjoy yourself.
All right.
I'm getting inside.
Oh, tomorrow.
Don't worry, I'm
By
going
this
inside.
time.
All right. Have a good time.
All right.
Baby.
do man di wa na di wo why. I do man di wa na di wo why. Na I do. I see say life be expensive, but if you faking one, I see say life be expensive.
Mother, picky. Mother, oh wait. Sir, it's what they shamo baby. I is shiano. And 2 minutes, Bill. 2 minutes now was what drew Matsi Baba. Would they miss shiao? Why?
Ama.
Life be expensive, but if you faking one, I see say life be expensive, but if you faking one, I do man di wa na di wo why. I do man di wa na di wo why. I see say life be expensive, but if you faking one, I see say life be expensive, but if you faking one, I do man di wa na di wo why. I do man di wa na di wo why. Me mbese meka mo bi